Tired of scrubbing the same pet stain over and over, only to see it reappear days later? Frustrated by lingering odors that never fully disappear? This video reveals the top 5 portable carpet cleaners. One delivers 20 times stain power. Another pushes 18 kilopascal suction. One removes urine in a single pass. Stay until the final verdict and check description links for current prices. Let's get started. Number 5 of our list. Smart Mix technology automatically measures and mixes cleaning formula, eliminating human error completely. The unit weighs 8.2 pounds, lighter than a gallon of milk plus a coffee mug. Footprint measures 8.3 by 12 inches, matching a standard keyboard width. Height reaches 11.5 inches, shorter than a standard laptop screen. Smart Mix technology delivers a perfect formula-to-water ratio automatically every cycle. Suction power exceeds competitive portable cleaners by 30%. The dual-tank system separates clean and dirty water throughout operation. Self-cleaning tough stain tool flushes residual dirt after each session. Triple-action cleaning combines spray, scrub, and suction simultaneously. Compatible with triple-action Pet Pro OXY formula featuring Stain Protect technology. Specialized pet hair removal tool included. Extended hose and cord reach hidden messes under furniture. Tank capacity holds 8 ounces per fill cycle. Best for pet owners requiring automatic formula precision and permanent stain protection technology. Number 4. 40-ounce clean tank capacity cleans entire rooms without stopping to refill. The unit weighs 9.4 pounds, heaviest in this comparison but most stable during operation. Dimensions measure 14 by 10.5 by 13 inches, matching a standard shoebox footprint. Tank capacity reaches 40 ounces, 5 times larger than the BISSELL unit. Powerful suction lifts deep-set stains from carpet fibers and upholstery fabric simultaneously. The 7-inch wide path tool covers large surface areas faster than narrow competitors. Tight spot tool reaches furniture crevices and vehicle seat gaps effectively. Hose rinse system flushes internal components with fresh water post-cleaning. Dual tank technology maintains clean and dirty water separation throughout full sessions. Compatible with Hoover pet formula and everyday cleaning solutions. Corded electric power source ensures consistent suction throughout extended cleaning sessions. Best for households tackling large area stain removal requiring extended cleaning without frequent refills. Number 3. 18 kilopascal suction power improves cleaning efficiency by 50% over standard 15 kilopascals machines. The unit weighs 7 pounds. Lightest in this comparison. Slim dimensions measure 15 by 5 by 5 inches, narrower than a standard water bottle. Stores inside kitchen cabinets, closets, and sideboards without dedicated storage space. Suction reaches 18 kilopascals, highest verified KPA rating in this comparison lineup. Accelerates carpet drying time compared to lower suction competitors. Dual compartment 41-ounce tanks handle clean and dirty water simultaneously using one hand. Eliminates separate tank cleaning procedures entirely. For included brush heads target different surface types. High-density brush, silicone brush, velvet brush, and self-cleaning brush. Cleaning solution included in the base package. Compatible with furniture, car interiors, pet beds, and mattress surfaces. Best for compact apartment dwellers needing versatile multi-surface cleaning with maximum suction efficiency. Number 2. Kink-free extended hose reaches stairs, furniture crevices, and vehicle interiors without repositioning. The unit weighs 10.33 pounds, heaviest in this comparison. Built for stability during intensive scrubbing sessions on stubborn stains. The 19-ounce tank handles multiple messes before requiring a refill stop. Powerful suction lifts deep-set dirt, pet accidents, and liquid spills from carpet fibers. The 2-in-1 pet tool targets stains and neutralizes embedded odors simultaneously. The 4-inch wide stain tool covers larger surface areas per cleaning pass. Kink-free hose maintains consistent water flow during extended reach sessions. Built-in hose rinse system flushes internal debris post-cleaning. Removable tank lid enables thorough manual maintenance after heavy sessions. Corded electric operation maintains consistent suction without battery limitations. Best for budget-conscious pet owners needing reliable stain removal with extended hose reach capability. Number 1. Dual-activated formula delivers 20 times more stain-striking power than standard cleaning solutions. The unit weighs 8.5 pounds, balanced for single-hand operation during extended sessions. Dimensions measure 12.83 by 11.57 by 15 inches, tallest unit in this comparison. Tank capacity reaches 40.58 ounces, largest in this entire lineup. Dual activated solution automatically mixes inside the unit for maximum chemical reaction at stain contact. Ultra-powerful suction extracts embedded spots from carpet fibers, area rugs, and vehicle upholstery. Onboard self-cleaning cycles water and solution through the entire hose system in seconds. 3 tool bundles include mini stain eliminator, 3.5-inch stain eliminator, and 7-inch XL stain extractor. Permanently eliminates pet urine and smoke odors when paired with Shark cleaning solution. AC/DC power compatibility enables flexible operation options. Best for pet and vehicle owners requiring maximum formula power and comprehensive tool versatility. Which one should you buy? Best pick. Product number 1, Shark StainStriker. Largest tank at 40.58 ounces. Dual activated formula delivers 20 times stain power. 3 tools included. Onboard self-cleaning system. Permanent odor elimination confirmed. Most comprehensive performer in this comparison. Best overall. Product number 5, BISSELL Little Green Max. Smart Mix Auto Formula technology eliminates measuring errors. 30% stronger suction than direct competitors. Triple action spray scrub suction system. Pet hair removal tool included. Stain Protect technology prevents future staining. Budget friendly. Product number 2, Dirt Devil. Reliable suction performance. Kink-free extended hose reach. The 19-ounce tank handles multiple sessions. Built-in rinse system simplifies maintenance. Delivers essential spot cleaning without premium pricing. All product links with current pricing are in the description below. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown helped you choose confidently, hit subscribe for more data-driven comparisons.